In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create event page content with ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT and begin by clearly describing your event. This first part is important because the better your input is, the better the response will be. Make sure you include the key details that define the event, such as the event name, the date, the location, who the event is for, and the overall purpose. In other words, give ChatGPT enough context so it understands exactly what kind of event you're promoting and what message the page should communicate. Once that information is in place, ask ChatGPT to write a strong event headline. This headline should be clear, attention grabbing, and relevant to the audience you want to attract. A good headline helps set the tone for the entire page, so it should quickly tell people what the event is and why it matters. After that, ask ChatGPT to create an event description that explains the benefits of attending. This is where you want the content to go beyond basic information and actually persuade people to take interest. The description should help potential attendees understand what they'll gain, what they'll experience, and why the event is worth their time. If the wording feels too vague, you can refine the prompt and ask for something more specific or more engaging. Next, add the practical event details. This includes the schedule, any speakers or featured guests, ticket information, and a frequently asked questions section. These details help visitors feel informed and prepared, and they also reduce confusion before registration. Keeping this section organized and easy to read can make the page much more effective. Then use ChatGPT to create call to action text, such as register now. This text should be short, direct, and motivating. The goal is to guide the reader toward the next step without sounding pushy. You can also generate a few options and choose the one that best fits the tone of your event page. Once all the content is ready, paste it into your event page builder. As you do that, make sure each section is placed where it makes the most sense, so the page flows naturally from the headline to the description, then into the event details and registration prompt. Finally, review the entire page carefully before publishing. Read through everything to make sure the wording is clear, the details are accurate, and the overall message is easy to understand. A final review helps catch anything that feels confusing or incomplete, and it gives you a chance to make sure the page is ready for your audience.